sorry about my shirt. I've been eating crap at school, and I like crap. No, just kidding. So I just want to show you guys my after school snack and what I have after school, so you guys know I'm not a child who doesn't get an after school snack. That's why I have all this fatness. JK. No, but here's my after school snack, and let's get on with the video. Ching! This is not all my hair. I have like so much hair. If y'all get this can feel the thickness of my hair, God, like I have like too much hair, I swear. Okay, no, but let's do the video. Woohoo! Okay, so the first thing I have is you have to have a drink. So I just get this Kool-Aid, Jammers. This is Tropical Punch. Yeah, I just have one of these, and you can buy these at HEB. You can buy these literally anywhere, like wherever your food store is or drink store, whatever you have, you can buy these anywhere. Now these, you can buy them at HEB, Target, somewhere. One sec, my phone's ringing. Okay, Mom's boss was calling, so I had to get that to her. Okay, so the next thing I have, you can buy these at Target, Walmart, anywhere, pretty much. And these are the Chewy bars, Chewy granola bar. This is chocolate chunk. And I'm gonna eat my snack on camera. Okay. Ooh, they are gooey. I have not tried these, so I'm actually very surprised. They are very sticky though. I like the chocolate. I like the chocolate. Okay. They're good, but they're very sticky. I would highly recommend these because they're very good. But if you like don't want your hands to get sticky, then I probably wouldn't recommend those. Time to wash it down. Now I've tried these before, so there's nothing new. These are actually very sticky, so they're easily coming apart. They're like freaking separating in my hands. Oh my God. So, sorry, there's a distraction right there. That's why I keep. Yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. Have a good weekend, guys. Today's Friday. Kicking it on Friday. So have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.